Today's lesson is on simplifying expressions. The goal will be we can combine like terms and simplify expressions. Start some vocabulary, and to make our vocab easier, we will use this expression 3x plus 4y plus 6x plus 8 to help define our vocab terms, which the first one is the word terms. This refers to a number, a variable, or a product of a number and a variable. So in our above expression, well, these are all terms. Okay, 3x is a term because it's a product of a number and variable. 4y is a term for the same reason, product of a number and variable. 6x is also a term, as is the number 8. Those are all terms. Like terms are terms that have identical variable parts. So the like terms in our above expression are just going to be 3x and 6x. They're like because each one has an x in them. We have coefficient. This is a term, vocab word that we learned earlier. It's a number that multiplies a variable. So for that expression above, we have the number 3 as a coefficient because it multiplies the x. 4 is a coefficient, multiplies the y. And then 6 is a coefficient, so it multiplies the x there. Finally, we have a constant, which is just a number, no variable attached to it. So the only constant in that above expression is 8. There's no variable there, just 8. So to combine like terms, we're going to go ahead and simplify that expression. 4x plus 6 plus 3y plus 19x plus 2y. So as we start this process, probably the best way to go is to identify the like terms. So I see we have 4x and we have 19x. Okay, those are alike because they have the x term. We've got 3y, negative 2y. Make sure you include that minus sign there. And then we've got our constants, which are just 6 and 9. Go ahead and combine them. So the 4x and 19x combine to make 23x. 3y and negative 2y combine to make 1y, or just the letter y. No need for the 1 there. I won't mark it wrong either way you put it. And then 6 and 9 combine to make 15. Now, rewrite the expression, all the terms combined. So take what we have above, 23x plus y, which I prefer, and plus 15. Preferred order for all these expressions, variables come first in alphabetical order, and then the constant comes last. Again, I'm not going to mark it wrong if you mix up the order as long as your signs are correct, but this is more common and more preferred. So go ahead, you can pause the video now and try these on your own or work them with me. So the first one, we have 7c plus 9 minus 3c. I've got my like terms as 7c and minus 3c, and just the 9 then. So combine them to make 4c plus 9. Moving over, we have the like terms of x and minus 2x. Then we have constants of 4 and minus 10. Combine those to get negative 1x, or just negative x. Again, the 1 is not necessary there. And 4 minus 10 is going to be negative 6. And for our last one, we've got like terms of 5w and w. And then we have constants of minus 20 and 8. Again, don't forget those negative signs. Combine those up, we get 6w and then minus 12. Now the final page is not on your notes paper, but it'd be great if you guys try to match these up. If not on the paper, do it mentally with me, but watch how this goes. Or you can go ahead and pause it and try on your own. So I take the first expression, 6x plus 19x, becomes 25x plus 8y. 5x minus 9x should be negative 4x, which is right there. X plus 5x plus 3x, put them all together, you have 9x's. It's right there. Negative 9x minus 4 plus 10x, combine the x's to get just x, and we have a minus 4 still hanging out there, x minus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x plus 17x gives us 22x. We have negative 8 minus x plus 10. The negative 8 and 10 combine to make positive 2. So we have negative x plus 2, which I actually did the other way, 2 minus x. 3 plus 2x plus 6, that should be 2x plus 9. And then 4x plus 2 minus 6x should be negative 2x plus 2. So that one there, I should probably put the negative x plus 2, but either form is fine as long as it's accurate. This concludes your lesson on simplifying expressions.